Good morning. It's Mrs. McCumbee with Week 7, Theme 7 for music in your Google Classroom. Hope you all had a great Memorial Day yesterday. As always, you click on the Google Apps waffle and go to your classroom. From there, go into your class for music. Under classwork, Theme 7, you open your resource sheet. It was Cora's second birthday last week, so I put some pictures here of her birthday festivities and a little picture down here because Riley asked me to. You would start with your vocabulary. There's a video to click on that helps explain what texture is. Here's your vocabulary. Back in your classroom, click on vocabulary, open it up. I went with the patriotic theme for this week, and all of these are multiple choice as usual for your definitions. Back into your resource sheet, the listening corner is also required. There is a video to watch here and another video here. And then once you watch those, you go back into your Google Classroom and listening corner. Get rid of this guy. Here's the video here for the first one, so you really don't need to click from the resource sheet if you don't want to. So you would answer questions that go along with that video. Then you watch Vivaldi's Spring and then answer the questions here. Back to your resource sheet, choices, history. So you can read the article. It's very similar to the ones you've already done. There's suggested listenings, and then you complete the history assignment, which I believe is all multiple choice as usual. There you go. Okay. Then, did you know? So, sounds in everyday life, create texture, think about various sounds that you hear every day, and then complete the assignment. Multiple choice. And then you are back. Sorry, I'm going to close these out to your resource sheet. So this last one, Incredibox, I've used this before, especially with my general music classes. I love this little website where you can become a DJ and layer your own sounds on top. This is the only one that is not multiple choice. So this one's going to be a little bit more work if you choose this one, but it's also more fun. So you're going to want to make sure you click and you follow along on the directions right here. So follow this link to the Incredibox. Then you're going to want to choose one of these 5 options. Some of them are free, some of them you have to pay for, so this is why you want to stick with these ones. Here's your Incredibox. Okay. Takes a minute to load. Because I'm using Screencast-O-Matic, it does not do a recording of anything but my voice, so you wouldn't be able to hear any of the mixes that I'm making right now. But say you pick Little Miss, it's going to load. Very slowly. Here it goes. Almost there. There you go. You can click play. So what you do is you click on these different ones, and drag it onto the guy, close, and then he makes a beat. And then you can add another one on top, and then you can keep layering your beats. The most important thing to understand is that once you get it, you need to record, and then you're going to have to submit your recording. This is where this instructions really come in handy. So you could click from a credit box here, directions here, make sure you follow the directions, and then back in the assignment, you'd answer some questions. You're going to have to write your favorite part about your mix, and then you're going to have to share me the link for the mix that you created. So again, it's going to be a little bit more complicated than just being able to go in and complete multiple choice. However, it's also a lot more fun. So I wish you the best of luck. After week 7, we only have 1 more week worth of assignments, so keep that in mind. You guys are almost done with the school year. Hope everything else is going well. Bye.